Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. Now I'm super excited to share this with you guys. Now in this video you're gonna have two parts. The first one where I'm gonna explain about rebonding, smoothing and keratin and what you need to expect if you are thinking of doing any of these. And the second part gonna be where I'm actually gonna do keratin treatment at home. Also gonna mention the timestamps in the description box, so in case you want to see a certain part you can directly skip to that part. So without any further ado, let's get started. So there are three things that we can do to our hair. The first one is rebonding or straightening. The second one is smoothing. Third one is keratin treatment. Often I have seen that people are so confused about these three and they don't know what actually they should go for. So here I'm gonna simply divide all of them and tell you what you can expect when you are going to do any of these. So let's talk about rebonding or straightening. What we usually do in rebonding or straightening is we actually change the structure of the hair. Now it is kind of permanent solution for your hair. In this process we use chemical and heat to actually change the bond of the hair. We change the structure of the hair, giving a straight look. So who are the people who should go for rebonding or straightening? It's a very personal choice if you want to do rebonding or straightening, but personally I feel like people who have curly hair, want their hair to be straight, should go for straightening or rebonding, because straightening or rebonding make your hair looks poker straight. If you like poker straight hair, then definitely this is the one you should go for, but personally I am not the biggest fan. In case you have curly hair, you should definitely go for rebonding or straightening. The second thing is smoothing. Now smoothing is rather a semi-permanent process in which again we use chemical and heat to smoothen out the hair. Now as the name suggests, smoothing, we actually do this process to make our hair manageable. Now what you can expect from this, your hair gonna be really manageable, really smooth and silky, shiny. If your hair are frizzy and you are not able to manage them, then definitely you should go for smoothing. Now I feel like people who already have straight hair but they have frizziness, dryness, and they want to go for some semi-permanent method through which their hair can be manageable, then they should go for smoothing, because it doesn't make your hair look poker straight and it generally lasts for 3 to 6 months because it is a semi-permanent method. Now people who have curly hair, I don't think they should go for smoothing. I think for them rebonding or straightening is the best method. Now comes the last, the keratin treatment. Now people are really confused about keratin treatment. Before knowing the keratin treatment, you should know what is keratin. Now keratin is a protein that is found in hair, make your hair strong and makes it look shiny. Now with increasing age and with every washing, keratin tends to degrade in your hair, which there are a lot of problems like hair fall, dandruff and dryness, frizziness. So it is really important to treat your hair with keratin. Now I feel like every person should go for keratin treatment. Smoothing or rebonding, it is actually to change your hair structure. Keratin treatment is something which everyone should opt for. One thing you should know about keratin treatment is that it doesn't change the structure of the hair. Now people who have curly hair, if they do keratin treatment, it's not gonna change the structure of the hair. And keratin treatment is something you can easily do it at your home. Now if you will go to salon, then they're gonna charge you very high. If you can pay that, definitely you should go and pamper yourself. But I found a solution to do the keratin treatment at home, that too just under 300 rupees. Now who are the people who should go for keratin treatment? Irrespective of hair structure, color or type, everyone can go for keratin treatment. What to expect from keratin treatment? Keratin treatment will make your hair strong. It will make your hair frizz free. It will make your hair really soft. It will make your hair shiny, but do not expect any kind of structural change in your hair by using keratin. Now comes the part 2 where I'm actually gonna show you how to do keratin treatment at home under 300 rupees. So to do keratin treatment at your home, all you need is this keratin hair mask. Now I got this from a local store in just rupees 300. You can buy it online or visit your local store. Now keratin hair treatment involves 3 steps. The first one is shampooing your hair, because you need to apply this in your clean and damped hair. Also, it's best to section your hair so it would be easier to apply the cream. Now take the cream in your hand and apply it from root to bottom of the hair. Especially focus on colored hair, because color tend to dry your hair. And also give it a good massage every time you apply hair. Now don't be in a hurry, sit down, relax and apply this hair mask really well all over the hair from top to bottom. Now once you are done applying this hair mask all over your hair, then really massage the hair. Press the cream inside your hair so that your hair absorb maximum of the hair mask. Now comb your hair from root to bottom so that the cream is evenly spreaded. Now with the help of the towel, cover your hair, because when there will be warmth and heat, the cream will be absorbed in a better way. If you have steam, if you can take steam, then go for that. You can also preheat this towel and use it. Keep this hair mask for 30 minutes, then rinse this off with clear water. Do not use any kind of shampoo, and here's the final result. That was it about today's video. Now I hope that you found this video helpful and enjoyed it. In case you are new here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up. Now share this video with all your friends and family. I'm also gonna link my other videos in the description box, so definitely go and check it out. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.